Welcome, lovely kids, to Bright Steps, a channel full of joy. Today, let's look for fun logical questions quiz for kids. Let's go together. Which fruit is yellow and sour? Apple, banana, or lemon? It is lemon. What do you use to eat soup? Spoon, fork, or cup? It's the spoon. What provides warmth and heat to the earth? Meteor, sun, or stars? It is the sun. Which object has pages you can write on? Folder, book, or notebook? It is notebook. Which mode of transportation has many seats? Taxi, bus, or fire truck? It is a bus. Which kitchen item has a spout for pouring? Bowl, vase, or teapot? It's the teapot. Which animal is black and white? Panda, rabbit, or dolphin? The panda. What do you take to travel long distances? Bike, car, or plane? It is a plane. Which fruit is green on the outside and red on the inside? Pear, watermelon, or apple? The watermelon. Which sweet treat is made from cocoa beans? Cupcake, chocolate, or donut? The chocolate. Which tool helps keep your teeth healthy? Paintbrush, hairbrush, or toothbrush? It's the toothbrush. What animal lives in the water? Rabbit, jellyfish, or hen? The jellyfish. Which one is cold? Coffee, soup, or ice cubes? It's ice cube. Which vegetable is red and round? Tomato, carrot, or potato? It is tomato. Which animal is the tallest in the world? Camel, giraffe, or elephant? The giraffe. Which one can bounce? Rocks, cube, or ball? It's the ball. Which sweet, sticky substance comes from bees? Sugar, honey, or jam? The honey. Which insect crawls? Butterfly, caterpillar, or bee? The caterpillar. What do you use to cut paper? Stapler, pins, or scissors? It's the scissors. Which animal hops? Turtle, frog, or swan? The frog. What do you sharpen to make it write better? Pencil, marker, or pen? Pencil. Which shape has no corners? Triangle, circle, or hexagon? It is circle. Which one doesn't belong? Penguin, koala, or cat? It is a penguin. Which vehicle makes a choo-choo sound? Van, train, or bus? The train. What do you have on a rainy day? Umbrella, crown, or headphone? The umbrella. We had a great time. Thanks for the fun. See you next time.